Assalam.
Here I have done work which you have given.
Assalamu alaikum students. I hope everyone is fine and safe in their homes. And students, kindly don't unmute yourself until I said to you to unmute yourself. So no one is going to create disturbance in the class. So class 4, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, solids, liquids and gas. In your surroundings you have seen so many things which are made up of solid, which are made up of liquid, which are made up of gas. So can any one of you tell me the examples of things, solid things you have seen in your surroundings? Yes, Zainab, tell any two things you have seen solid in your room.
Teacher, solid two cheese.
In your room.
In our room,
Yes,
teacher,
in your room.
chair. No.
Yes, the chair
Chair.
you sit in it is also a solid. Yes, good. One more thing. Your book, your
Book.
hand piece, your pencil. There are a lot of things in your surroundings. So, Zainab, you can unmute yourself. So, next student, any one of you can tell me which liquid things you use in your daily life. Fatma will tell us. Liquid things you use in your daily life.
Teacher, water.
Yes. What else?
Water and milk.
Yes. One more.
Uh, bathing water. Salty water.
Okay. We use also oil. Oil is also present in the liquid form. Good, Fatima. So next, any one of you can tell us, can we use gas in our daily life? Abdul Subhan, you can tell us, can we use gas in our daily life?
No.
We don't use any gas in our daily life. Are you sure?
We use.
Okay, which gas we use?
Yes.
Where we use that gas?
Get to to freeze to heat.
No. Okay, I am going to tell you. We also use the gas. But where we use the gas? For breathing. हम सांस लेते हैं हम सब. Yes, for breathing. We take inside the gas, that name is oxygen. So we use oxygen gas. This gas helps us in breathing. So again, we eat so many solid diets in our food, and we drink lots of liquid, and also we use our gas. So there are many things, as I told you in the beginning, that different things you have seen in your surroundings, they are made up of either solids, either liquid, either they are in the gases form. So all these things together collectively known as a common name, that is matter. सो उन चीजों को हर चीज, आप पेंसिल यूज करें, आप बुक यूज करें, दैट इज योर सोफा, टेबल, चेयर, एवरीथिंग दैट इज collectively used are known as the matter, and they are made up of very tiny particles, और ये तमाम चीजें बहुत छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल से मिलके बनती हैं. So moving forward to the matter, what is a matter? Here is a definition of a matter: anything that has weight and occupies space is called a matter. अब कोई भी चीज हो सकती है anything से means weight. अब weight किसे कहते हैं? Here is a definition of weight also, that measurement of heaviness of a thing is called a weight. अब किसी भी चीज की heaviness, आपकी बुक कितनी हैवी है, आपका सोफा कितना हैवी है, आपकी पेंसिल कितनी हैवी है, आपका जो है बैग कितना हैवी है, these all things together tell us the weight of an object. So from this definition, anything that has weight, अब किसी भी चीज का weight I explain to you कि किसी भी चीज की heaviness कि वो कितनी भारी है is known as its weight. And occupy space, अब space क्या आ जाती है कि वो उस जगह जोन सी भी चीज है वो कितना एरिया ले रही है उसको कवर करने के लिए, वो कितने एरिया पे जो है हमने बुक रखी हुई है, पेंसिल रखी हुई है, दैट इज अ space which the object is going to take place. So this space from the definition, anything that has weight and occupy space is called as matter. So here is from for this matter one thing, the last thing which is very important, that is volume. What is volume? Now the amount of space taken up by the matter of a substance is known as its volume. अभी मैंने space का बताया कि वो कितनी जगह लेती है, तो so this space is known as its volume. So I hope everyone has clear till yet. So these matters, we can find these matters into uh, three states of matter. Further, we can describe it. So moving forward next, that are the states of matter. As I told you, anything that has weight and occupies space is known as the matter. A matter should be anything. So how this matter is made up of? This matter is made up of tiny particles. Tiny means very small particles called atoms or molecules. So these things are made up of atoms and molecules. And atoms and molecules, atom is the smallest particles which we cannot see by our own eye. How we can see these objects? We can see these objects with the help of a microscope. We cannot see with our own eyes. They are very tiny particles. Students, have you seen the sunlight जहाँ पे fall कर रही होती है, you have seen very tiny particles over there. नजर आ रहे होते हैं सबको? You can nod your head. I can see your heads nodding. Mostly students. So students, these tiny particles that you have seen in the sunlight, same from these tiny particles, उससे भी बहुत छोटे होते हैं atoms that we cannot see. उन्हें तो हम देख सकते हैं ना, sunlight के अंदर जो particles नजर आ रहे होते हैं, they are very small, but the atoms we cannot see by our own eye. So these particles are so small that we cannot be seen. So there are three states of matters. What are the three states? Name as number one is that solid, second is liquid, and third is gases. So as the beginning I told you, we have seen all these solid, liquid, gases into our daily life in different forms. So moving forward towards the solid, what are solids? So solid, you can see that molecules of these solids, these are the molecules that are very small, where my cursor is, where I'm moving the arrow. So these are the molecules of solids. So you can see they are so closely packed together, so there is no air, nothing can be passed through them. They are so tightly packed together. So again, this is a molecule of solid. You can see very clearly that there is no space between these molecules. So now solids always has a definite shape, definite size, and definite volume. So you can see these solid balls. Now solid is further divided into two types. Either the solid is present in the soft form, either the solid is present in the hard form. Zan, kindly mute yourself. Good, Zan. Again, I'm repeating, molecules are the very smallest particles which we cannot see with our own eyes. So here is some molecules of solids are closely, you can see that they are closely packed together and there is not a little space between these molecules. So we can see that we can say that solids has a definite shape, means proper shape, they have a proper size, and they have a proper volume. Moving forward to the next. Arshaman, kindly unmute mute yourself by. Students, don't turn on your mic until unless I am going to say to you to open it. So, as I told you that some solids are hard and some are soft. As you have seen many solids in your surroundings, so some are very hard and some are soft. So you can see these solids, shapes of solids can be changed. How we can change the shape of solid? Here is a metal bowl and a decoration of metals you have seen. So as you all know that wire is very hard and we cannot bend it easily. So how we can bend it to make a different design of things which we get? So the thing which is needed there is a force. We use a force to, when we use a force to a solid, definitely its shape will be changed. So we can make any different shape of the solid by applying the force in it. So solids do not bend. So for the bending, we are going to apply a force on it. And they can, for the force, they can further then break them down into smaller pieces. So these are the solids. Now moving forward to the liquid. So as you have seen, the molecules of solids are closely packed together, but in the liquid their molecules are not closely packed together. You can see there is some space between these molecules. So for the presence of these space, these liquids can show movement. Movement means they can flow, like you can see rainy water also flow. If the milk is going to spill down on the floor, अगर दूध फ्लोर पे गिरता है तो डेफिनेटली वो जो है फ्लो करना स्टार्ट कर देता है. Like we have given the example of oil भी liquid है. वो भी अगर फ्लोर पे स्पिल अप करेंगे, गिरता है तो वो भी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह क्या करेगा, मूवमेंट शो करेगा. So how this liquid move? Liquid always move from the higher to the lower level. जहाँ पे ज्यादा पानी होगा वो ऐसे ऐसा मूव करेगा कौन से एरिया की तरफ जहाँ पे पानी बिल्कुल नहीं है. So how the liquids flow? They flow from the higher region to the lower region. So we can say that these liquids do not have a definite shape, and but they are having a definite volume. आपको water का भी उसको glass में अगर if you are drinking the water in a glass, you feel there is some weight, some volume of that water. So that's why they are having different definite volume, and we can keep the liquids always in the container. Or that's why as liquids flow, so that's why we also says that it is a fluid. So this is the explanation. So moving forward to your books now, open page number 32, and you are going to tell me by yourself because I didn't write the answers here. So here is your warm up that is on page number 32. What materials do you think the following things are made up of? First one is mirror. Who is going to tell me which material is the mirror is going to made up of? And student, listen only one time. So you can give me the answer and then you can write it by yourself. The student who raised the hand.
Teacher,
Yes, who said that?
teacher me Zainab. Teacher,
Yes, Zainab.
ये टीचर एक ये शीशे और लकड़ी से.
And we are going to tell the material name. So इसमें अब हमने अगर आप शीशा कह रही हैं तो शीशा is a type of a glass, so you can write glass, but either you also must tell it that these are solid, liquid or gas. In which form first you are going to write it? Yes, Zoha, tell us.
Teacher,
Yes, Zoha.
solid.
Yes, you can. First of all, everyone is going to take the pencil in your hand and write down here solid, and from that solid make a line there, make a little slash or comma there, and then write down the glass there in below here. First is solid and then glass. Write it on your books. Taha Imran, you are not writing it on your book. Student, do it fastly as we have to do our little work in our copies as well. So moving forward to the next, that is table tennis ball. So Arshaman will tell us either this table tennis ball is hard, um, soft, or solid liquid gas, or which rubber is ball is made up of which material. So Arshaman, tell us, unmute yourself and then tell us.
टीचर हार्ड
Hard तो होगा, but it's first of all state of matter बताएं. Is it solid, liquid or gas?
सॉलिड
Solid. So first of all, you all are going to write solid there and then make a comma. So ball is made up of which material? Plastic का ball होता है, rubber का होता है, metal का होता है, किसका बना होता है अर्शमान? बॉल किससे बनता है? मेटल से बनता है, प्लास्टिक से बनता है या रबर से बना होता है? टेनिस बॉल.
रबर से
Yes, you can write down the rubber there. Good, Arshaman. First one, mirror. On mirror you can write
Teacher.
solid and the material which is
टीचर
made
ये
up
वाली
of is
बॉल
glass.
प्लास्टिक टीचर ये वाली
Tape-
बॉल प्लास्टिक से होती है
टेबल टेनिस की बॉल प्लास्टिक की होती है.
यस
उन्होंने टेबल टेनिस की बॉल लिखी हुई है, प्लास्टिक की होती है. So you can write plastic. So you can write plastic there. Next are the utensils. Utensils कहते हैं आपके daily use के pots को, जो बर्तन daily life में use होते हैं. These are the utensils. So who is going to tell us that what utensils are made up of? Abdul Subhan.
टीचर आई नो
Yes.
इट
Yes, tell us.
टीचर it's made of solid and metal
Yes.
solid and metal
Yes. Yes, we can write solid and metal. Or if we further divide these, which kind of metal is this? So it's a steel.
yes steel metal
Write down their solid, make a comma, and then write down metal. metal metal, or either you can write it steel. Good, Abdul Subhan.
thank you
So the last one, who is going to tell us that? Alifia. Alifia, tell us the furniture is made, is it solid, present in solid state, liquid, or the gaseous state?
teacher solid is furniture is solid
And which material it is made up of?
wood
Yes, write down solid, make a comma, and then write down woods. These all things are made are the solid states. And first one again I'm repeating, mirror solid, but it made up of glass. Then table tennis ball again solid, but it's made up of plastic. Utensils again a solid, but it's made up of a metal that known as steel. That is last one is furniture, and this furniture is made up of furniture is a solid and it is made up of a wood. Everyone has done it now, so moving forward to the next, that is reading. We are going to do the reading of that is page number 32 and 33. So student, do it fastly. First of all, Zen Vakas will continue the reading. Yes, Zen. Zen is there. So till then Zen is not there. We are moving towards the next student. जी से मैंने last time reading करवा ली थी. Okay, we are moving towards Arshaman. Yes, Arshaman, you can unmute yourself. Yes, 32.
32 से 33.
No, you are going to start only from page number
Yes,
32.
teacher.
Then now
Yes,
you are
teacher.
late. Now you are late, so Arshman will continue first.
Look around
Wait.
your
Yes.
look around your
Study.
Study table. You can see this made up of different materials.
On. Mahmood, you must turn on your camera.
All
These, all these
these materials are given a common name and
called matter, not material. So next, moving for. So next student who is going to continue is Jan. Jan, fastly continue.
Okay,
From
teacher.
the matter.
Matter. All substances contain matter. The amount of matter is substance in measured by its weight. Matter take up some space to make substance. The amount of space taken up by the matter of the substance is known as its volume. So anything that has weight and SOPs
Occupies
occupies space is called matter.
Okay, here is a definition. So you can underline the last line. Anything that has weight and occupies space is called the matter. Is a definition of a matter. Underline it, everyone. So next one who is going to read the states of matter is Fajil. Yes, Fajil. States of matter.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is made of very tiny particles called atom or molecules. They are so small that they cannot be seen depending on how the molecules are placed in a substance. The substance can be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. These are the three states of matter.
Yes, good Shajil. So now moving forward to the next on page number 32, solids. And
Ma'am, I will read.
yes, Hamna, you can do start reading.
Solids. In solids, the molecules are very closely packed. They do not have space between them to move. That is why solids have a definite,
Definite.
definite shape, size, and volume. Solids could be hard or soft. The shape of some solid can be changed by applying force. For example, a metal wire can be bent by twisting or can be flattened into a sheet by hitting in with a hammer. Some solids do not bend the break into
They
smaller.
break.
We break into smaller pieces when force is applied on them. Easy glass.
Okay, thank you, Hamna. So from liquid is Filza is going to read it.
Liquid. In liquid, their molecules are not very closely packed. There is some space between molecules. This allows the molecules some movement. That is why liquids do not have a
Definite
definite shape. Liquids follow when they
flow.
are left flow flow when they are left on a flat surface. That is why liquids are also called fluids.
No, that is why liquid are also called fluids.
Liquids are also called fluids. The liquids flow from a higher level to a lower level, so liquids are kept in a vessel. They take
Vessel.
the vessel. They take the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. Liquids have a definite volume, so the amount of liquid remains same even if it takes the shape of the container.
Container. Okay, students, till that we are going to do in this lecture. So on your page number 33, there is a now you know. So in this now you know what they said. They said there are some solids given below. So you have to write H for those solids which are hard and S for those solids which are soft. So one by one, everyone is going to tell us. First one is brick. So Mubarak, tell us, is brick is a hard solid or a soft solid?
ये सॉफ्ट नहीं होती.
So we can, what we can write here, we can write S there or H. Yes, everyone is going to write down their H. Hard. Moving forward to the next. Fatma will tell us, is this little mountain is hard or soft?
Hard, teacher.
Yes, you can write down H. Capital A should be written there. Next will tell us Taha. Taha here is a little spill of water or any liquid we can see there. So is this a soft or hard solid?
Soft.
Yes, you can write down there as. Next is our ball. So this ball is hard or soft? Shurjeel will tell us.
It's soft.
Yes, you can write down S there. Capital S should be written there. Next is a stool, and Zoha will tell us, is it hard or soft?
Teacher, hard.
Yes, you can write capital H there. Next is a plastic tub. So plastic tub is soft or hard? Ibrahim will tell us.
पहले के जमाने में नाम देने वाली
Ibrahim will tell us.
Teacher, plastics are hard.
Yes, you can write capital H there. Next is a toy horse. So it's a hard or soft? Zainab will tell us. Where is Zainab? Zainab, is it hard or soft? Zainab, we can't hear you, so kindly first of all unmute yourself. Yes, it is hard or soft. Yes, now we can hear you.
Teacher, which one?
The last one.
Okay, last one. Soft.
Okay, you can write down their S. So again, I'm repeating. First one is hard. Second one is also hard. Third one soft. Fourth one soft. Fifth, sixth hard. And the last one, 7 is soft. Everyone has done it. So moving forward to a little task. What you have to do, you have to note down the definitions into your copy. So definitions are not given to you. So here are the 3 definitions you are going to write down into your copies. The definition of matter we have underlined on the books. So from the books you can do copy it on your copies. And the next is the definition of solid. So as you all know that all the things which are having a definite shape and volume, so these are known as a solid. So you can roughly write it on your books and then do neatly on your copies. Then the last definition is this liquid things which do not have a definite shape and flow easily, they are known as the liquids. These 3 definition we have learned in this. Yes, who says please? मैं नहीं waste कर रही. We are having 6 minutes and student, this is your homework as well. You are going to learn these 3 definition and do it on your copies.
Yeah.
Yes,
Teacher?
Abdul Subhan.
Here you have given us definition. We will do on science copy.
Yes, definitely you are going to do it on copies.
Okay. Only this is our homework.
And in homework you are going to do it on your copies and then learn it.
Okay.
These are the very short definitions. Yes, who is saying miss?
miss page number.
Mohtasam, this is not a page number. You are going to do these definition on your copies.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Arshaman.
Teacher, I do unit number 4 and unit number 5 on copy science.
Good, Arshaman, but these are the extra works. You also know these definitions. Well, so in this chapter, there are no proper definition given into your book. So I have explained you. So these definition you must learn it. So you know clearly that
Label.
pictures.
Teacher?
Yes.
No need to do the pictures. Only the definitions. Only the work which we have done on book, you have to learn it, that work, and then the definitions. So if anyone is going to ask you what are solids, आप ये तो नहीं ना कहेंगे उसको book is a solid, chair is a solid, वो आपसे properly definition पूछे. So you are going to tell it that things which have a definite shape and volume, they are known as a solid. So this is a definition for that's why I am giving these definitions to you. Okay. Yes, Soha.
Teacher,
I have done all work in copy, teacher. I don't have copy now. It's at Nanu's home. I will pick tomorrow. And teacher,
Yes.
we also have to do chapter number 5 question answers.
Yes, you side by side. You are going to start.
Okay. And teacher,
Yes.
and teacher, you said that my chapter number 1 test, teacher. When will you have it?
Soha, you can give me right now because some students are doing the work. So you ready? You can easily give it to me.
Excuse me, teacher. Teacher.
Yes, Soha.
Teacher, I didn't have